Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Ride Virgie. Today, we're diving into the legendary 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, a name that has long been synonymous with durability, off-road capability, and reliability. Toyota has brought back the Land Cruiser with a fresh new design, improved performance, and modern technology while still staying true to its rugged roots. The exterior of the 2025 Land Cruiser blends classic toughness with modern elegance. It features a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more muscular stance. Toyota has made it slightly more compact compared to its predecessor, making it easier to maneuver while still maintaining its off-road dominance. The squared-off design, high ground clearance, and skid plates ensure that it looks and performs like a true adventure SUV. The rear has a more refined look with LED taillights and a tailgate that enhances practicality for loading gear. The 18-inch or optional 20-inch alloy wheels give it a strong road presence, and Toyota offers various color options, including some classic heritage shades to appeal to longtime Land Cruiser fans. When it comes to price, the 2025 Land Cruiser sits in a competitive range for full-size off-road SUVs. The base model starts at around $55,000, while higher trims with added luxury and off-road features can go up to $75,000 or more, depending on the options you choose. This pricing makes it a great option for those who want a balance of premium features, legendary reliability, and off-road performance without stepping into the ultra-luxury SUV category. Under the hood, Toyota has made a big shift from the traditional V8 to a more efficient 2.4L turbocharged iForce Max hybrid engine that produces 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid powertrain not only boosts fuel efficiency but also provides impressive low-end torque, perfect for off-roading and towing. The full-time four-wheel drive system comes standard, along with a locking rear differential and Toyota's multi-terrain select system, allowing the Land Cruiser to adapt to different surfaces like mud, sand, and rocks with ease. The crawl control feature acts as a low-speed cruise control for extreme off-road conditions, making it one of the most capable SUVs in its class. On the road, the new Land Cruiser offers a smoother ride with its updated suspension, making it more comfortable for daily driving while still excelling in rugged terrain. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Land Cruiser is packed with the latest safety technology. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. It also has blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system to assist in tricky off-road situations and urban driving. The sturdy body structure and advanced airbag system provide top-tier crash protection, ensuring that